Lesson number 1.4, Revati's Musical Plants, Part 2. Students, we'll just have a quick review. In Part 1, we learned about how Revati was a student of music and she loves playing the violin. Her favorite raga was Raga Mohanam. And we also see that how she noticed a movement in her potted plants as she would play her favorite tune, that the plants slowly bent and started moving towards her. There was movement in the plants. And by the end of part one, we learned that when she played a quick rhythm, the plants would not seem to be happy. But when she played the same classical, the Raga Mohanam, her favorite tune, once again, the potted plants would slowly straighten themselves and bend back towards her. So we are going to go ahead in part 2 today. She kept the knowledge a secret. She did not tell anyone, not even her mother. There were only a few days left for the prize distribution. To her great surprise, Revati found her potted plants not only taller and healthier than other balsam plants, but that they had started flowering a few days earlier than the other plants. The flowers were big and brightly colored, and one of the plants had an unusual kind of flower. The flowers were mauve with white stripes. So, students, here we seen in part 1 that we all know that Revati's plants, potted plants, they loved music, they enjoyed music. Whenever she would play the violin, they would turn towards her. And this particular knowledge, this thing, Revati had kept this a secret. She did not even tell her mother that her plants loved to hear her favorite tune. And we see after few days, Revati found that her potted plants were not only getting healthy and were not only getting taller and healthy, but they also started producing flowers. Also, flowers started appearing on them. So, as Revati started seeing that the flowers were big, they were bright colored flowers, and some of the flowers were mauve with white stripes. The meaning of mauve is of pale purple color, not bright but pale, a dull purple color flower with white stripes started appearing on the balsam plants. Let us read ahead. That evening she knew she would definitely get the prize for the best plants. She went to bed dreaming of her plants and the new type of flowers. The next day was the all important day. She got up in the morning and went straight to the courtyard to see her plants. So, what we see that evening, Revati was actually so happy seeing her potted plants grow, and she was confident. She was so sure that she is going to definitely get the prize for the best plants. Why was she so sure? Because looking at the plants, that they grew so healthy, there were such beautiful flowers on those plants, they were tall. Okay, so she was all sure that she is going to get the prize for the best plants. And that night, she went to bed, as she went to sleep, she even started dreaming of her plants and the new type of flowers. So this is one day before the contest, and the next day was an important day. Why it was an important day is because that was the day of the contest. Okay, so we see what happens ahead. She got up in the morning and went straight to the courtyard to see her plants. Revati blinked for a few minutes, for there was neither the pot nor the plants. She looked to see if someone had moved the pot. So we see next morning Revati wakes up and she goes straight to the courtyard to have a look at her plants, but she does not find the pot nor the plants there. So here it is written that Revati blinked for a few minutes. Blinked meaning shut and open the eyes quickly. So Revati starts searching. She looked to see if someone had moved the pot. Okay, she started searching all over. She even goes and asks and confirms with her mother if her mother happened to see the pot or the plants. But we'll see what her mother says ahead. Her mother said she knew nothing either about the pot or the plants. Some of the neighbors had been to their house the previous afternoon and had remarked at the beautiful flowers and the healthy looking plants in the pot. But later, she had been busy inside the house and had not been to the courtyard. So, Revati's mother tells her that there were some neighbors who had come home the previous afternoon. That was one day before the contest, and they also remarked about the flowers, the beautiful flowers. They complimented that, wow, the plants are so healthy, and look at these beautiful flowers. But she says after that, Revati's mother tells her that she had been busy inside the house and had not been to the courtyard. So she does not have any idea where the pot or the plants were. Let us continue reading. Revati's grief knew no bounds. She went around asking every one of her neighbors, but no one had been anywhere near the pot of plants. Revati's grief knew no bounds, meaning had no limits. So we see that Revati was actually very sad, and because she could not find her potted plants, and she went asking every one of her neighbors, but nobody had seen the pot of plants. She could not lodge a complaint for the pot of plants. She felt as though everything was lost. She did not mind not getting the prize, but she really missed her plants. She had grown very fond of them. They were her friends who enjoyed her music. So we see here in this paragraph that Revati was actually very sad, and she was not even sad that she was not sad that she could not take part into the competition or she did not win, but she loved those plants very much and she missed the plants. But of course she took so much of care and she had grown very fond of them. Fond of them means she started taking a liking to those plants, and to an extent that she also considered those plants as her friends. We'll read ahead. That evening, all her friends were going to the prize distribution ceremony. She did not want to attend, but her friends forced her to. So we see here that Revati's friends are all going to the prize distribution ceremony and they wanted Revati to join along with them. But since Revati was very sad, her potted plants were not to be found, and she was in no mood, she did not want to attend. Her friends, they force her, and finally Revati agrees to go along with them. We'll read ahead. After reaching the place, she went to the benches where the potted plants were displayed. Revati was shocked. There was her pot of plants on a bench with the name of a distant neighbor of hers as the competitor, written on a small piece of cardboard and placed in the soil. She knew it was her pot of plants. She went to the organizers of the show and told them about it. So after Revati reaching the place where the contest was held with her friends, okay, what does she see? All the potted plants were displayed, but something shocks Revati there. What was that? Is that her pot of plants were kept, but the name of a distant neighbor was written on it. Distant means far away. One of the neighbors claimed to have those plants as theirs, and that neighbor took part in the competition. But whom did the pot of plants belong to? Yes, it belonged to Revati. And Revati knew that it was her pot of plants. It is, if it was you, okay, or anything belonging to us, it does not take time for us to recognize that that particular thing is ours. Am I right? Yes. So in the same manner, Revati seen those plants growing and she could easily differentiate that those plants were hers. What she does, she goes to the organizers of the show and tells them about it. That see, these spots of plant, the spot of plant is mine, but there is somebody else who has claimed that it is theirs and they have taken part in the competition.